We bow our heads in homage to the ceaseless efforts of great enlightened ones, all past and future Buddhas, Pacceka Buddha, and Arahants, who uphold Buddha's aspiration of gifting the ultimate salvation of nirvana to all worldly beings. Since the Buddha's unparalleled determination to establish Sri Lanka as the bedrock of Buddha Sasana, hereby we call forth all virtuous celestial beings, including the great god Chakra. It is now time for us to revive the indigenous Buddhist medicine that was bestowed upon us by the legendary Arahant mihinthale and guarded for countless years by legendary monarchs, starting with the god's favorite, King Tissa. This traditional medical practice, often referred to as Buddha Besajja, is founded on the four domains of supreme mindfulness, or Satipatthana, as taught by the Buddha. A comprehensive hospital complex is planned to be created to serve the righteous people seeking the ultimate happiness of nirvana. It is modeled after the architectural model of the ancient hospital complex of Mihinthale Monastery, which was erected under the guidance of Venerable mihinthale. The oldest known archaeological evidence for a hospital in the world is found in the ruins of the Mihinthale Hospital Complex. Now is the proper time for the land, the region, the civilization for the monumental facility to be rebuilt to its previous splendor. "32 similar hospital complexes are to be constructed throughout Sri Lanka to meet the objective of restoring widespread access to indigenous Buddhist medicinal services and to sustain the physical and mental welfare of those who value wisdom. The Buddha Besajja treatment, which is founded on the noble Buddhist concepts of cause and effect, focuses on the nature, origins, and cure of ailments and helps patients transcend their physical and mental suffering from all forms of diseases. A Buddha shrine chamber, a medicine storage, a refectory, a hot water bathhouse, an inner veranda courtyard, walking meditation routes are all features of each hospital complex. We cordially welcome you all to participate in this wonderful project, which aims to revive old Ceylon's previous splendor by offering your time, labor, supplies, expertise, and donations. To find out more, call the number displayed on the screen. Let us pray that this country would remain the citadel of Buddha Sasana for all the world's future generations.